Assalamu alaikum. Once again in the lecture of the series of the biostates. Today is the lecture number 7. In the today lecture we will go to learn how to measure the probability area under the normal curve by mean and standard deviation. Question is here, the numerical is here. Today we will go to solve it by the using of the mean and standard deviation. The question is that I took the test of the biostate of the state score. So I collected the state score of the BSN students in the new test for the preparation of the biostate course. And the data which is come up in near to me of the state score is the normal distribution. But the normal distribution we have with the normal distribution of this data with the mean score of the state test, which is I collected from the from the BSN student. The mean score is with the 1115 marks and the standard deviation with 150 score. So now we will go to learn now in the bell shape. I draw the bell shape over here. In the bell shape, the mu the mean of this data. The mean of this data is 1115 score of the state score, and the sigma is 150. Now the question is asked, what is the probability that the state score of the BSN students, which is scored more than 380 marks. Now mean is here 1150. Now definitely he is asking about the score which is more than 1380. So the 1380 score will become up over here. Now in the question it is asking what's the probability of the state score of the BSN, which is they scored more than 380 marks. So more than 380 marks. So it is asking about this area. Okay, this is the step number 1. The step number 1, you draw the diagram. Okay. Now the step number 2, we will go to test statics. Test statics, in which we will go to measure the Z score for this score. So the formula for this is Z is equal to X minus mu divided by sigma. This is the formula to calculate the Z calculus value. So the X is 1380 marks and the mu is 150 marks. And what is the sigma? Sigma is 150. We will go divide by the 150. So when we minus the 1150 from 1380, it will be around 230 and divided by 150. So if we divide the 230 by the 150, it will be 1.53. It will come up with the answer of 1.53. So 1.53 is the Z score. Now we will go to take the help. This is the Z score value. Now we will go to find the Z score value in the Z table for 1.3, how much the probability area. So for the Z 1.53 is 0.4370. Okay, so 0.4370, this is the area which is B measured from here to here. 0.4370. But in the question it is asking what is the probability that the students are scored more than 1380. So we are concerned with this area. So what we will do, from here to here it is 0.5. We know very well the half of the bell shape is 50 on the right side and 50.5 on the left side. So what we will do, we will go to minus the 0.4370. It will be around 0.063. Okay, 0.4763. So now what we will do, 0.063 we will multiply it by 100. It will be come up with the 0.63. So 6.3% is the probability area of the student which is they scored more than 1380. Now in the step number 3, what we will do? In the step number 3 we will go to write down the result statement. We will go to write down the result statement. Alright, in the result statement we will say the probability of the state of the BSN students scored more than 1380 marks is 6.3%. Okay, or you can write down 6.3% BSN student, or you can write down in this way, 6.3% of the BSN student scored more than 1380 marks, right? Okay, so for till today we solved the probability area under the normal curve by using of the mean and standard deviation. So we solved the one numerical, that's what's the probability that the state score of the BSN student, which is they scored more than 1380 marks. So we calculated, we used the 3 steps. In step number 1 we draw the diagram, and the same in step number 2 we use the formula test static. For this formula is little bit different from the previous lectures in which we find out the probability area under the normal curve. But here we use the x minus xi minus mu divided by sigma. So 1380 is our x and mu is 1150, which were given in the numericals, and we will go to divide by the sigma. Sigma is 150 score. So it come up with the 1.53. The z score is the 1.53. Then we will go to find the area, probability area of the z score, which is 1.53. It's come up with through the z table is 0.4370. But actually we are the concerned that how much the probability that the students are scored more than 1380 marks. So we are concerned about this area. So what we will do, this value will goes to minus from the 0.5. Then we will come up with the result of the 6.3%. So 6.3% is the probability area, is the probability of the BSN student which is they scored more than 1380 marks. I hope it's today is a very short lecture session which is clear your concept about the find the normal distribution under the normal curve by using the mean and the sigma. Watch my video lecture of the biostats is clear your concept about the static scope, about the static subjects, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also communicate your friend, your classmate and students to watch my video lecture and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.